Uy, may ulo.
Our beloved administrators, sisters and school principal, Sister Marilan R. Banez, teachers, atas and kuyas, family, guests, and my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon to all. Please allow me to thank the people who, one way or another, became a big part in our education process. And to our dear principal and our respective sisters, we thank you for your continued support and love towards their dear pupils. Your constant reminders help us learn the values of formative education brought us where we are today. To our beloved teachers, we salute you for molding us into character, filled with respect, with knowledge, skills, and morals. You impart to us, brought us joy, learning habits that help us learn wisdom. And for all the things you have shared, we are grateful and honored of having you be our second parents. With your conditional love, we are blessed for you. You are our resources in many ways. We just wanted to know that we are so proud of having wonderful parents like you. My fellow students, let's enjoy this day with gratitude in our hearts. Our dear alma mater, Father Domenico Masi, and Sister of Immaculate Learning Center, that taught us the bodies that remain in order for us to please and honest teach the community. May God bless and bless us with success. Thank you very much and congratulations, Pastor.
Thank you so much, Gia Nicole.